Hey guys, welcome to another UC Chemicals UC Weekly tutorial. This week we're going to be going over searching chemicals and how to do that. Really simple. You log into UC Chemicals, click Search Chemicals, and you'll come across this. You'll see your inventory for your lab, and you can tell which inventory you're in by this top bar. You can search here by keyword, cast number, name, formula, etc., by location, as well as substructure. With that, you'll be able to also draw the chemical that you're looking for. UC Chemicals goes beyond that as well. You can search for your colleagues, and by doing this, you can add your colleagues to see that video. Go ahead and check out the advanced version of this week's tutorials, or you can search all of campus. Searching all of campus, again, it's the same thing, and you can just look for your chemical, click on it, you can request it, or check out what they have. Hope that's helpful for you. Have a wonderful week, and see you next time.